To make these fun gummy bear earrings with hearts, you will need 2 headpins, 2 gummy bears, 2 beads. Any size of your choice should be fine as long as your long headpin can fit the height, 2 hearts, 2 jump rings, and 2 ear hooks. So to get started, we will take our headpins and we will slip on our bears. Next, our bead. 1 bead on each one. Also the heart. Next, we will cut off the excess. We will then take our round nose pliers and make a loop for jump ring and ear hook. Next, we will take our chain nose pliers, slip on our ear hook, and then close our jump ring. And if you don't like the French ear hook wire look, which consists of a ball and a coil, what you can simply do is you can cut this part off, slip off the ball and the coil, put it to the side. You can also use this ball as part of your design in between the bear and the heart. And then you will take your round nose pliers and just make a loop for your jump ring. Slip that on. Close your jump ring. So if you cut off the French wire components, you have a shorter earring, and if you leave them on, you have a longer earring.